Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize balance sheet in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you need to create specific financial reports tailored to your business needs, whether you're comparing different time periods or filtering data for particular accounts. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Xero account using your email and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your account dashboard smoothly. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Xero dashboard. From here, locate the reporting option at the top right part of your screen. This is where all your financial reports and analytics tools are housed, giving you access to everything from profit and loss statements to balance sheets. Click on Reporting and a drop-down selection will appear with various reporting options. From this menu, select All Reports. This will open up the complete library of reports available in your Xero account, allowing you to access any financial document you need. You'll now be directed to a page showing all available reports from your Xero account. Take a moment to browse through the options, and from here, locate the balance sheet type of report and click on it. This report shows your assets, liabilities, and equity at any given point in time, making it essential for understanding your business's financial position. Once you're on the balance sheet page, look at the left side where you'll find the Common Format section. Click on it to view sample comparison options that Xero provides. This section allows you to adjust dates and compare your balance sheet with other months or even previous years. You can also use the filter option to narrow down your report to specific accounts or categories, giving you precise control over what information appears in your custom report. Now comes the customization part. Once you've configured and adjusted all your settings, and you're satisfied with how your balance sheet looks with your chosen dates and filters, it's time to save this as a custom report. Locate the Save As button on the bottom right corner of your screen. This button is crucial because it allows you to preserve all the customizations you've just made. Click on Save As and a pop-up selection will appear with different saving options. From here, choose Custom. This action will now save this balance sheet report with your custom filter and comparison dates, making it a permanently available custom report that you can access anytime without having to reconfigure everything from scratch. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customized balance sheet in Xero that's tailored to your specific business reporting needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.